Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at a Bitcoin miner? This is Marathon, ticker MARA. Now, Mara is in an interesting pattern. You can see that Marathon hasn't really been performing very well. It's actually gone sideways for many years, and it's been a bit of a hard trade. While we have Bitcoin just under its all-time high, a lot of the miners have been lagging, but I think have a chance to catch up, and I'll show you why. Because if I zoom out here on Marathon, I can actually draw a pretty clear downward sloping trend line from the high back in November of 2021. That was a tough month. Remember when Bitcoin topped in November of 2021? No one thought it was the top. No one was ready. But this certainly did. And we can see that it's been in a long, drawn-out consolidation since then, where it's been really unable to get above this downward sloping trend line of resistance. Now, if I zoom in here a little bit, we can see that we continue to really hammer up against that glass ceiling. And I want to see if Marathon can get above and stay above and do it on volume. Now, if it can, then I think Marathon could be a great catch-up trade because it's able to digest out of this long, drawn-out choppiness and consolidation. So if I were you, I would have an alert on Marathon right around $20. An alert on Mara at 20 or just below, and look for a move through that level and a close above coming on volume. Now that could trigger a breakout of this near-term consolidation and a potential trend change from this longer-term consolidation. So that's just one of many stocks we'll be watching next week over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful, and I'll see you next time.